Hey everyone! Today we are taking off in Japan Airlines 787 Business Class from Tokyo to Guangzhou. From luxury lounges to top-tier onboard service, I'll be showing you everything this journey has to offer. Let's jump in and see why JAL is a top choice for this route. It's bright and early at 6 in the morning, and Haneda is buzzing with activity just like always. I'm heading to Japan Airlines Business Class check-in at row J. And while this sleep monitor looks high-tech, it's not a self-check-in machine. I've got a friendly ground crew member to assist me. After a quick walk, I'm at the JAL Sakura Lounge, which kicks things off right at 6 a.m. The space is shaped like a trapezoid, pretty unique, with huge windows giving you front row seats to the runway action. In the center, there's a self-serve food counter loaded with snacks and drinks, so you can fill up while watching the planes roll by. Not a bad way to start the trip. Pretty impressive food choices for a business lounge. I grab a mix of scrambled eggs and sausage for a classic start, and then some tamago and mentaiko for a local twist. And if you're still hungry, you can easily order more through QR code. Need to freshen up? You can even book a shower room with just a few taps. Now that's convenience. After reserving a shower room, you can pick up the key at the front desk. Oddly enough, despite this JAL Sakura Lounge being newly opened in 2023, the shower facilities look a bit outdated, not exactly what you expect from such a modern space. Now that we finished touring Sakura Lounge, let's head upstairs to check out another JAL spot, the Skyview Lounge. It's an even bigger space with unbeatable runway views, just like the name suggests. The lounge is divided into 3 areas: a dining section for refueling, a Skyview zone with large windows, perfect for plane spotting, and the main lounge area for relaxing. Though it's more spacious than the Sakura Lounge downstairs, it's also busier, giving it a livelier vibe. If you got some time to spare, Haneda's duty free is a must visit. They are packed with all kinds of seasonal goodies you won't find anywhere else. Just be sure to check those expiration dates. Some of these treats are so fresh, they will only last a couple of weeks. Grab them while you can. Most gates have pretty long lines with so many people flying out or transiting through Tokyo. I say it's a good idea to head to the gate a little earlier. I'm settling into seat AK and they hooked me up with some slippers and headset. The seat's super long and a bit on the narrow side. It's got this square minimalist look that almost feels like stepping into a traditional Japanese room. There's no storage space on either side, so the reading light and multi-position seat controls are integrated into the sidewall panel. Even though I'm in a window seat, this setup still gives me direct aisle access. No awkward climbing over anyone. You will find the TV remote and power socket tucked into the far side of the wall, plus some handy storage space right under the footrest. Seat reviews out of the way, and we are ready to roll out of Tokyo. Next up, the in-flight meal. Don't miss it. Now that we are cruising, I'm raising the privacy divider. It really gives you that in your own bubble vibe, feels like you are tucked away in a cozy little box. On this 4.5-hour flight, you got two tempting meal options. A traditional Japanese washoku set or a Western style meal, both served with a wide range of drink choices. The washoku set is like a mini feast with 7 different dishes, plus soup and rice. The cold dishes, especially the meatball and deep fried purge, are a real treat. And they've got a smart trick for the main course, covering the sea bass and chicken in gravy, so everything stays juicy and delicious. The business class bathroom is pretty cramped. Nothing too different from what you find in economy, aside from a few dental products. I also had a chance to convert the seat into a bed, but with no space on either side, it's hard to imagine getting a comfortable night's sleep in what feels like a tiny box. With that said, we are almost there. Guangzhou is just around the corner. To sum it up, from the delicious food in the lounge to the super private business class seat, this has to be one of the best ways to fly between Japan and China. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. See you in the next one.